Hello mga Lodi, good day po. So, we will rationalize this question. So, in criminology, na area to. So, which concept refers to acts that are inherently wrong by their very nature regardless of whether they are codified in law? So, ang ibig sabihin nito, if we comprehend the question, saan dito, these options, ang mali daan in the first place? Even before hindi pa naisabatas. So meaning, pag titingnan natin, kahit walang batas, mali talaga. Diba? Kasi it breaks the normal na behavior sa isang tao. Ito bang mala prohibita? Hindi. Bakit hindi mala prohibita? Ang mala prohibita from the term na prohibited only when it is codified or naisabatas. So for example, yung walang helmet, di ba? Mala prohibita yan. Kasi pag walang batas, hindi naman talaga yan inherently evil or dautan or bad, di ba? So, ito yung mga batas na ngayon o ito yung acts which is prohibited lang because nasa batas or nasa law or na codified by law. So, hindi yan ang correct answer. Deviance ba? So, once you say deviance, hindi necessary na hindi necessary na evil siya. Kasi may deviant behavior na hindi naman evil. Kasi once we say deviance, it deviates from the normal behavior of a society. So meaning, na iba lang siya. So may mga deviant behavior naman na hindi nag-deviates or hindi naman inherently evil. It only deviates or change or pag titingnan natin, talagang iba sa normal behavior ng society. For example, bata na nagsisigarilyo. Deviant behavior yan kasi supposedly ang bata hindi pa ganyan yung acts. Diba? So yan yung mga deviant behavior. But itong deviant, hindi naman ito na-codified eh. O hindi naman ito na isa batas. So all laws talagang may deviancy or deviant behavior. But it is not inherently evil. Norms, ito yung normal behavior. So, hindi ito ang correct answer because hindi naman hinahanap ano yung behavior ng isang society. Ang hinahanap dito is acts that are inherently evil in nature. So, hindi itong norms. Ang correct answer is mala inse. Diba? Ito yung kahit wala pang batas, morally wrong na, inherently evil na, or hindi na pwedeng accepted or ina-accept ng society pag ito yung nakita natin na behavior. So meaning hindi ito accepted o hindi ina-accept ng society because inherently, kahit walang batas, evil in nature talaga siya. For example, yung mga rape, di ba? Murder, yan kahit hindi pa nasa batas. So, talagang against na sa normal behavior ng tao yan. So yan yung mala inse. For more discussion, please comment down, then follow my page.